and thank you for being here for another video. So I've been posting a few videos about renovations and DIYs I've been doing in our new house. I did one on giving this settee a beautiful makeover, I'll link that above. And I also just recently did a video on decorating my new beauty room office space as well. This filming studio and my office down the hall are where I spend most of my time and where all of my videos are usually going to be filmed, but today I wanted to show you around the rest of my new house. For the almost 10 years of my husband and I's relationship, we have lived in apartments, a rented house, and so to finally own a home of our own is just a dream come true. It's been amazing, and I would love to show you guys this new space that we are so in love with. But just to give you a comparison of where we were living before to where we live now, I would first like to take you on a tour of the apartment that we just moved out of. Now, I will say I did intend the tour of my apartment to go a little bit differently than it did end up going. You'll see why in just a second, but to give you a quick backstory, the week after we moved out of the apartment, it was during a big winter storm here in Texas, the pipes in the apartment above us burst, their apartment entirely flooded, and of course the water came down into our thankfully empty apartment. We weren't living there, we had just a couple things left, so the apartment was just absolutely ruined. Water damage, bubbling in the walls, water pouring out of light fixtures. It was insane. So that's kind of what you should keep in mind when I show you the apartment now. So I've already been inside the apartment and it was quite a shock. I didn't expect to see what we're about to see together, and it might be a little loud. Yeah, so they've done some things with the place. Looks like the water damage that came in from the apartment above us made them have to rip out all of this, so you will get to see the place I used to live in utter shambles. That noise you're hearing is some fans around here drying out, I guess, water in the walls. But yeah, this used to be my living room. Our sofa was here in this little corner by the window. Right about here is where I would sit and edit all the videos you've ever seen me make. Over here, this is so weird, y'all. Over here is the kitchen and the little dining area. Laundry is over there. Okay, so this was the master bedroom. They shoved all the rest of the stuff that we left in the apartment in here. So this is right about where that trash can is where our bed was. This was my closet. And then in there is the bathroom. And then what's really crazy is the room that I used to film in. Here's the room. My little settee that I filmed every single one of my videos on was right there. And now the wall is gone. There's my little closet, and there's May. Hi! Yeah, so this is, I can't believe this. I've been planning to film this little old apartment tour for a while, and of course when I decide to do it, the apartment besides this room is just completely torn up. Let me see if they've done anything to the bathroom. Okay, the bathroom is still pretty much intact. There I am, hi. Oh, there's still a towel in here. Oh, and a bath mat, lovely. But yeah, so this was our bathroom. And now it's all, you know, torn up. Welcome back to my house. I'm glad you're here. I'm glad I'm here, especially after seeing what ended up happening to our apartment. And now I would like to take you on a tour of my house. So since we're already in the filming studio, I guess we can start here. Alright, so here is the filming studio currently. It is a little bit messy. I did just do an unboxing on this gorgeous Madoka figure. I will link that video up above for you guys. So here's the aftermath of that. But here is the settee where I usually sit. You guys are usually sitting here on this tripod. I've got my big box light set up, and it does have a tiny little window, which helps. And this room does have a closet as well, though there's really nothing in it right now. It's just holding storage for my camera stuff and a flag that the previous owners left us. Thanks, guys. But other than the equipment itself and where I sit, this room is really quite empty. I would love to get some things to have over here instead of a cardboard box and an empty space. So I'll definitely be working on filling up those areas. And I was even thinking about maybe getting some nice wallpaper to put behind the settee and then put the lights over that. But we'll see. We'll see how that comes along. All right, well, I will take you guys out of my filming dungeon and into the next room. So just down the hallway from my filming studio is my bedroom. Here we are. There's Ollie. Hi, honey. So this is the master bedroom in our house. My husband and I decorated it together. Of course, gotta have plushies on the bed. If you don't have plushies on your bed, then you are missing out. We've got some of our wedding photos here. And I think that we are going to add some cool wallpaper to the ceiling. The color on the walls is like this nice blue color. It was this same kind of nasty, like yellowy tan color. But what we want to do on the ceiling is put some wallpaper that's like the same blue color as our comforter, and it has like gold stars printed on it, like constellation. I don't know if you can see, but our bedspread has like little moons and stars on it, and we've got like star maps and stuff. This one over here is like an astrology map, so we want to have some like cool like stars on the ceiling. I think that'd be pretty cool. So moving on here, we have the very exciting bathroom. This is where the toilet is, and you'll notice this lovely cord going here, and that's because we have a fancy bidet on our toilet and it needs power, but there's no outlet in the toilet room. There's me, hi. This is my side of the bathroom. We've got a nice tub, and that's a space heater because when I get out of the shower, I'm very cold and I'm a baby, so I need to have the space heater on. There's my husband's side of the bathroom. There's Ollie again. What are you doing? And then through here, possibly one of my favorite parts of the house is the closet. So here's my side. And then there's a whole other side over here for my husband's stuff. We've got a giant Togekiss plushie up there. I can fit so much stuff. Oh yeah, there's my Kylo Ren body pillow. Don't mind him. Guys, I could like sleep in here. This room alone is like the size of our whole living room at our apartment. I can't believe it. And like seeing all of my clothes hung up at the same time is crazy. I used to have to only have like one season of clothes hung up at one time, and the other had to be in storage because I didn't have room to have all my clothes hanging in one closet. So there she is, the beautiful closet. Bye! Okay, done in the bedroom. This here is an attic access door, and here we have the hallway. Of course, this is the filming studio we were just in. Plenty of cat toys on the ground here, guys. This is just another like guest bathroom, and this guy right here is my office beauty room space. Ollie wants to go in. Now I am not going to show you this in this video because I already did a video on setting it up, decorating it, all that good stuff, and I will link that video up above for you guys, so if you would like to see what is behind this door, go check that video out. Moving on from the mysterious beauty room office, we have a little Cicero here. Hi, honey. Did you find a sunny spot? He clearly was sitting in the sun, but you know, the sun do be moving, so his sunny spot moves too. He loves sitting here. And he loves sitting here because we have a balcony out here. Yeah, Ollie thinks that I'm about to let him out. So we have a balcony out here. I'm not gonna go out because I don't really want to show like the other houses too much, but we do have a balcony out here, and these guys love going out there when it's nice outside. And now we can move downstairs. And this is a little bit of a work in progress right now. Another cat toy, of course. our figure cases, which I also have a video on. I did plan on having like a table here between the two cases. It ended up not fitting, so I've got the lamp and some artwork here just chilling on the floor while we wait to get a table that can fit there. But this space goes quite high. There's some beautiful windows that the cats make very good use of. They love sitting in the sun. So that's pretty much what this area is for. Figurines and cat nap time. So going down to the first floor now, another cat toy of course. Front door, and I will show you guys the front of the house as well. This is a storage closet, as you can see. We're making great use of it. Hi, Kirby. And back behind these coats, there is like a whole room back here. I could also sleep in here. I have room for our camping gear, our holiday decor. It's absolutely insane, and I'm still not used to it. And then over here we have my husband's office. We can check in with him. Hello, Bubby.
Oh, I'm not watching your videos.
Summer! Anyway, this is his little work in progress over here. He's got his green screen for when he does his live streaming on Twitch. Go watch Fateful Encounters for D&D on Twitch. But yeah, he's got a little work area he's working on over here. He's gonna be building his own desk soon.
Yeah. It's a work in progress. It's nothing to show right now, but it's gonna be special.
I think it's cool. You did this cool lamp and you painted the walls, and I'm very proud of you.
Thank you very much.
And you look very cute today.
I got some catching up to do.
Okay, bye.
See ya.
And down the hallway from here, we have this little side porch. Ollie, you are not going outside. No. So there's really not much going on here right now. We did get this cool owl. Hi, owl. I came out here and I like tried to wipe all the windows down and get rid of some of the leaves. Ollie's like desperate to come out here. But I think we're gonna get some cute outdoor furniture. I definitely tried to pull up all the weeds that were here. Maybe we'll get like a little grill and put it out over here. So we have this cute little side yard area. And I'm hoping to have like some cool hanging plants out here or something. But I think it'll be really cool when we can get around to putting it together. And across the hall is another bathroom. It's a little bit under construction right now, so I won't go in there. But here we have, oh, Ollie's showing off for you guys. Very good. So here we have the living room. And then right across from that is the kitchen. It's like a full actual kitchen. So we need to get rid of this heinous like red cushion and drapes that the previous owners left here, so these will be going bye-bye. But yeah, so here is the kitchen. It's beautiful. I love it. We have a gas stove. The trash can is in a drawer. It's in a drawer. The pantry light comes on automatically, and the fridge is like a whole fridge, and I think I might cry. So here we have the living room. Here we have a fireplace, which, check this out. Oh, I just want to keep pushing the button. But it is way too hot to be using that right now, so we will turn that off. Bye. Nice big windows that the cat's like sitting in, of course. And we added all this ivy to the wall here, and probably one of my also most favorite things is this. Ooh, isn't that so cozy? Especially at night when we've got friends over watching movies. It just adds such a nice little cozy touch. And then towards the back of the house, this is the garage door, and we have a little mudroom area. This is the cat's winter coat for when they do go outside and take walks. Ollie definitely loves to go outside. And then through here is the laundry room. Super fun stuff here. Actually, it is pretty cool. I want to show you. So these came with the house. They have like built-in laundry sorting bins, and these are drying racks that like come and hang down so I can like hang dry my more delicate things. I never thought I'd have so much fun or interest in doing laundry. Bye, Oliver. Bye. And then the last room of the house is a little bit of a mess right now. We're trying to work out exactly what we want to do with this space. We think that it was probably meant to be like a kid's playroom or something, but we don't have any of those. We have these guys. So right now we've got this set up as like, this is going to be a sewing room, like a crafting room. My sewing machine is tucked away in there right now. It needs to be serviced before I can use it. So right now, it's just being used as storage. These are some cat shelves that my husband built for our apartment. But now that we don't, oh, what an athlete. Now that we don't really need them, I think we're gonna give them to some of our friends. And then this is actually also one of my favorite parts about this house. This is a litter box, if you can believe it. This is the litter robot. If you are a cat owner and you can afford to drop the money on this thing, it has literally changed my life. You would never have to scoop your cat's litter box again, and I highly recommend it if you can buy one of these. And then we have the rest of the backyard here. It is also a little bit of a mess. I had been out here like doing a bunch of hand weeding, trying to get rid of all the mess that the previous owners left. And the cats also love being in here with the windows open. It's springtime when I'm filming this, so there are plenty of birds to watch in the backyard. I'll show you out front as well, because we've got some cool stuff out here. Got this cute little lemon doormat, and of course a cute little lemon wreath for the front door. And we also have this super cute little swing right here. I'm a little skeptical of how thin this chain is, but I think once we get it replaced with something a little sturdier, this will be so lovely for enjoying in the summer and the spring. I also just learned recently that I am highly allergic to whatever this bush is. I think it's a cypress. Oliver ran out here and went behind it, and I grabbed him and I touched this bush for like 2 seconds, and my whole hand was swollen and itching and burning and covered in hives, so that was fun. But the sun is a little hot, so let's go back inside. Well, that's it, guys. That is the house. I hope you enjoyed coming around with me and taking a look at where I spend my days. I'm really excited to continue working on the home, adding more decor, building some new things, renovating things, and just really making it my own. I would really love to continue to make videos about my home renovations. I've got some gardening planned. We're definitely going to do some building of our own here. So if you would like to keep seeing kind of like home renovating decor videos, let me know down below in the comments. I know it's a little bit different than the content I otherwise make, like Lolita, makeup, stuff like that. But if you'd like to see it, please let me know. And if you did enjoy today's video, please consider hitting the subscribe button down below or the thumbs up. It really helps me out. Well, that's going to be it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today on my channel. I really hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to go enjoy the rest of my day. I hope you enjoy yours as well, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!